Fantastic location in West Melbourne, great school district, price to sell. This well-maintained home sits in a quiet cul-de-sac, has new air conditioner and exterior paint, is super clean, has great natural lighting, split floor plan, spacious living dining combo overlooking kitchen, vaulted ceiling, separate laundry room, 2-car garage, and has a screened-in porch perfect for having your morning coffee on and enjoying the beautifully shaded, private backyard. Hurricane shutters, except for front door. Walking distance to the park, close to restaurants and shopping. This one is a great find and won't last at this price.